What is the secret of success? What are the steps involved? How we can proceed? Watch the video till end to change your life. The foundation of self-confidence. And ultimately, happiness is hard work. But when there is a lot of work to be done, it can be overwhelming, causing you to either give up before you start, or to go in head first without a plan and fail. Big shifts in goals require thoughtful reflection about what you want and what is standing in your way. After you know those things, you can formulate a plan to address them. Here are the steps you take to get started. First, stop making excuses. Excuses are what hold you back, and they are almost always the only thing between you and your goal. Identify the excuses you make, and figure out a way to prevent making those excuses. Can't find the motivation to go to the gym or go for a run? Force yourself to go. And promise yourself you can work as hard as you want once you arrive, but you have to go. Come up with strategies to combat your excuses, and ways to force yourself to make changes. It is not going to be easy, and it is going to be really hard, but you will conquer your first major roadblock on the road to accomplishing your goals. Second, set goals. It's tempting to set big goals, but to start making sustainable progress, it is better to begin with manageable goals. Want to change the status of your personal life? Make an effort to be social and put yourself out there, and actively ask people to grab a beverage or a meal a couple of times a week. Starting small is how you create a habit. If you run twice a week for a month, you can go 3 times a week the next month. And then 2 months after that, you're running 5 times a week. That's a new lifestyle in 4 months. If you have a base habit to support you, it is easier to build on that than to go head first into running 5 times a week. Third, create a routine. A routine consists entirely of discipline. Disciplined people carve out time to get work done, or exercise, or whatever their goal may be wherever they are, and whenever they have a spare moment. Don't think you have time? Is there a TV show you keep up with? You don't anymore. People who habitually get up and go for a run, stick to a healthy diet, and have their dream job built their life by dedicating time to their goals every day. It is the only way to make consistent progress. Fourth, hold yourself accountable. Saying your goals out loud makes them real. So tell someone you trust your goals, and how you plan to achieve them. When you tell someone your goals, it means they will inquire about your progress, and you will have to tell them. Having someone to check in with every week or two, and who you have to report your progress to, is like having a coach or a teacher. You have to answer to not meeting your goals will have consequences. You won't be able to shrug and move on with your life. Telling people means you are serious about your goals. So telling someone helps hold you accountable. Fifth, track your progress. Write down what you have done. Whether it is applying for jobs, sending emails for informal interviews, asking more people out for coffee, eating more salad, etc. Write it down so you know how you are doing. Not only does it help keep you on track, but it helps remind you that you are doing it. You are taking real steps to accomplish your goals, one day at a time. So write it down. Sixth, failure is integral to success. Life happens. There are busy weeks at work, unforeseen events that will prevent you from completing your routine, disasters, your birthday, etc. It does not matter that you fail for 1 week or 1 month. What matters is you get back on track every time. Learning to shake off failure and start afresh is the only way you will accomplish your goals. Everyone fails. It cannot be a reason you give up. Keep going. Seventh, exercise. According to the CDC, regular physical activity can help keep your thinking, learning, and judgment skills sharp as you age. It can also reduce your risk of depression, which will be important as you work your way to your goal. There will be times you are frustrated, and you will want to rely on your old excuses, but you can't. A healthy way to deal with frustration and stress is exercise. Keeping a healthy mindset is integral to making a long-term, big change. And exercise is a healthy, natural way to release stress. Changing your life is not easy. So take care of yourself so you can be your best self every day. Like, share, and subscribe.